Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to continue our DSA series. We are going to solve another problem of LeetCode. I'm going to share my screen with you, but first you need to subscribe my YouTube channel and do comment, share, and like. What's going on, GS? What are you trying to say? GS, comment. Hey, hi. Okay, GS, I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so here problem number 1389. Okay, this is the problem. Create target array in the given order. So here you can see create target array in the given order. Okay, this is the statement given two array of integer number and index. Your task is to create target array under the following rule. Okay, we are going to create target array under the following rule. First rule is initially target array is empty. Initially target array is empty. Okay, target array is empty. Okay, and from the left to right, read number I and index I. Okay, insert at the index I the value number of I in the target array. Okay, represent the previous step until there are no element to read in numbers and index. Okay, return the target array. If it is guaranteed that the insertion operation will be valid. Okay, so here you can understand with this example. Okay, so input equals to these numbers. Okay, and index equals to these numbers. Okay, output is equals to 0 4 0 4 04132 04132. Okay, so here number 0, these are the numbers 0 1 2 3 4, 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, and index of this number 0 1 0 1 2 2 1. Okay, so here at index 0 we have 0, at index 1 we have 1. Okay, that's why it 0 1 0 comma 1. Okay, at index 2 we have 2, that's why it is 0 comma 1 comma 2. Okay, at index 2 again we have 3. Okay, at index 2 we have 3. Okay, so 0 1 at 2 we put 3. Okay, and and 2 move at index 3. Okay, now at index 1 what we have 4. Okay, so uh, here I keep 4 at index 1 and move 1 next to the 4, because previously we have 1 at index 1. Okay, so you can see another example. These are the number, these are the index. Okay, this is the output. These are the number 1 2 3 4 0. Okay, at index 0 we have 1. Okay, that's why it is in target. Okay, at index 1 we have 2, at index 2 we have 3, at index 3 we have 4. Okay, and at index 0 we have 0. Okay, previously I also have 1 at index 0, but it will move like this. Okay, and at index we have 0 now. Okay, this is the another example, numbers, index, and this is the output. Okay, you can understand this by using dry run. Okay, so here concept, insert the element at given index position. Okay, so number equals to 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Okay, and index equals to 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 1. Okay, so visual representation of insertion. Okay, so here you can see these are the steps and these are the index. I from index. Okay, so these are the index 0, 1, 1 at step second, and 2 step 3, and again 2 at step 4, and 1 at step 5. Okay, and these are the numbers 0, comma 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the numbers. Okay, now operations, insert 0 at position 0. Okay, so we are going to insert this number at index 0. So target become like this. Okay, now I am going to insert 1 at position 1. So 0 comma 1. Okay, I'm going to insert 1 at this index. Okay, now again I'm going to insert 2 at position 2, or you can say at index 2. So 0, 1, 2. 2 is here. Now I'm going to insert 3 at index 2. Okay, it will replace like it will insert at index 2. 0, 1, 2. We have at index 2 3. Okay, we have 3 at index 2, this one. Okay, now 2 move after 3. Okay, now I'm going to insert 4 at position 1. Okay, so here we already have 0, sorry, we already have 1 at position 1, but it is now it is said that insert 4 at position 1. Okay, so here after 0 I need to insert 4 here. Okay, and move for this one at index 2. Okay, and after this 3 and 2. Okay, I hope you got it, this representation. Now now, in institution you can see for every pair number of index. Okay, you insert number into the current target here, current target list at the position index. Okay, and here python list dot insert position and values. Okay, these are the values. Shift existing element to the right automatically. These are the like inserting numbers insert at the position this. So these are the position and these are the values we are going to insert here in target. Okay, so key takeaway, insert at the specific indices cause the element to move right, preserving order but rearranging the list dynamically. Okay, so here I am going to create code. I need to create class solution. Now this is the function def create target. Here I'm gonna pass self numbers, nums numbers, and after this index. And here I'm going to create target that I need to store elements based on their position. Okay, this is the target, this one. Okay, and these are the numbers and index which I have used. These are the number and index. Okay, I used these number and index which already given in the problem. Okay, so here for I comma n, I for index and n for numbers in zip. I'm using zip because I want both index and numbers. Okay, so for I and n. Okay, so here you can see I, this I equals to 0, I equals to 1, I equals to 2, I equals to 2, I equals to 1. Okay, so these are the i's. Okay, and these are the numbers, that is n. Okay, n equals to 0, n equals to 1, n equals to 2, n equals to 3, n equals to 4. Okay, so for I comma n, I comma n in zip with index and numbers. Okay, so here we are going to insert number by using index. Okay, so here we are going to insert this number. Okay, by using this index. Okay, like if we have n equals to 0, and I want to I want to insert it, uh, and it at the place of I equals to 0. So here, that's why it is a index. Mhm. It should be index. Okay, now I am going to store. Okay, so I have created mm, code for I and n. Okay, for I and n in zip. Okay, and here in zip I passed index according to the position. Okay, now after this I need to store it into a target. Okay, so I need to insert in the target. So here, target dot insert, I comma n. Okay, now after inserting these thing, okay, I need to return target. Okay, return what target. Okay, now I want to test this, so I use this code. I already explained what is it. Okay, this is the object for solution class, this one. Okay, and this is the print. Okay, that we can print our target. Mm, we can print our target with numbers and index. Okay, so here, this is the object of this class solution. This is the function. Okay, here these are the numbers and index. 0 1 2 3 4. These are the 0 1 2 3 4. These are the numbers. Okay, and this is the index. These are the numbers and these are the index. Okay, now I am going to run this. Okay, so I got my output 0 comma 4 comma 1 comma 3 comma 2. Okay, so this is our target. I hope you got it. This is the function, this is the target that I need to store numbers. Okay, this is for loop for I and n in zip, index and numbers. Okay, and these number these I mean I'm going to store in, I mean I'm going to insert it into a target. Okay, by using their position I'm going to store numbers. Okay, and return the target, and here this is for print. Okay, and this is our output. Coder explain create target array in the given order clearly using Python simple step by step perfect for DSA beginner and quick रिवीजन. अच्छा लगा? मतलब मैंने कैसे पढ़ाया, सही पढ़ाया कि नहीं? से गुड और बैड. अब मैं सो जाऊंगी, एक छोटा सा क्वेश्चन और सॉल्व करना है, उसके बाद आई एम गोइंग फॉर स्लीप. हाँ गुड, थैंक यू गाइस. ओके, तो इसके बाद एक और वीडियो क्रिएट करूँगी, उसके बाद मिलती हूँ। उस वाले वीडियो में आओ, देन आई विल टॉक टू यू गाइस, ओके, एंड डू कमेंट्स देयर।